75th Independence Day. Being a social science teacher, this is my subject, and every now and then we are telling something. All those who are students are there, they are laughing at me. Because every day, in every class, I used to impart some values of freedom, of values, and all those things. And such things, see this independence which we have got, the things which we take it so lightly as it is always available to us. It is not like that. We talk about great leaders, great persons, but actually you become great only when you sacrifice something. And before being great, everyone just a common man like us. And when we do something, then we become great. Neeraj Chopra, I know, just half week ago, no one was knowing about Neeraj Chopra because he has got gold or he is there. That's why now we are calling him great. And there are lots of those things. Why I am here? Because two things I want to remind my students and teachers. Uh, we have contributed too much in the freedom movements, and we never recognize that. Never in our, it is not in our syllabus. It is not they are taught in these things. But if you remember, and I think 10th students are there, they know, when we are reading about national movement, about non-cooperation movement and all, who are the first person to leave the schools, to lead the movement? Who are those persons? It was the teachers and students. It was the teachers and students who were the backbone of all independence movement which was launched by Gandhiji. And after that, when civil disobedience movement, the girls and the women become one of the very important part of that. Till then, the girls and women were not the part of any independence movement. So why you are here? Because you are just not a common person. Each one of you, all you students, greatness lie within you. It is the things, just what everyone is doing. You do something which is just different and you become just great. And I think here for the teachers I also want to remind, I think some of you must be knowing about Master Da. No? Anyone? सूर्य सेन, किसी ने नाम सुना है सूर्य सेन का? चिटगांव रिवोल्यूशनरी. Surya Sen is as great as Bhagat Singh or Mahatma Gandhi or anyone. I'm just taking one name. There are many teachers to whom I can take. Why I'm here? Because I always remind my teachers and my students that we all have to remember that at everything, at every moment, at every point of time, whether we are in school, whether we are outside, I have seen being in this profession for last 7 years, though I am here for 2 years, but I am this profession for 7 years. When I was there at my hometown, because I was young and I have just joined the school, so when I was just roaming in my market and all, students comes and they touch our feet or they greet us, then I understand what a teacher means. Then I understand what values and what things I have to teach or how I have to maintain. Master Da was like Chandrasekhar Azad or all that. You know, when he was captured, when he has done his revolutionaries in Chittagong, when the Britishers captured him, they have put out his nails, they have broken his teeth with the hammers, and they have dragged him from 2-3 kilometers, and then they have brought him to the to hang him. And then within hanging also he has suffered a lot. So teachers and students, remember, we all are very great. Within us, many greatness is lying. It is just the things that how we take. And for that, one of my friend is there. He is a very good writer. He is a very good poet. And I used to recite his poem every now and then. और मैं उसका एक हिंदी में कविता कहता हूँ. बहुत ही जोशीला कविता है. तो मैं I try to just go through the words and try to remember what we are and what we can do. सो हियर आई गो। शीर्षक है मैं था भारत, मैं हूं भारत, भारत भारत मेरा परिचय। मैदान सृष्टि का सृजन गान, गिरिराज खरा इसका प्रमाण, गंगा की निर्मल सुधा रास में बहता मेरा मन प्राण। मेरे चरणों में सागर है, मेरे सर पर विस्तृत विधान, मेरे ही अंतल स्थल में छुपा हुआ है दिव्य ज्ञान। यदि मैंने सब कुछ त्याग दिया तो तुम करते क्यों संचय। मैं था भारत, मैं हूं भारत, भारत भारत मेरा परिचय। मैं मनु सतुर्भा संयोग, मैं आदि पुरुष का हूं प्रयोग, मैं बोध वृक्ष की सघन छाव, मैं ऋषियों का है ज्ञान योग। मैं राम सिया का हूं संगम, मैंने देखा उनका वियोग, मैं ही केवट का हटी विनय, मैं ही सबरी का बेर भोग। मैं विश्व रचयिता का बेटा, इससे तुमको कैसा संशय। मैं था भारत, मैं हूं भारत, भारत भारत मेरा परिचय। मैं कुरुक्षेत्र का हाहाकार, मैं अर्जुन धनुहार की टंकार, मैं चक्रव्यूह का भेद मंत्र, मैं ही जीवन का मोक्ष द्वार। मैं विवश द्रौपदी की पीड़ा, मैं सभा मध्य के पट प्रहार, मैं ही कुंती की विद्या कथा, मैं ही कालचक्र का कथाकार। मैं विजय सारथी सदा रहा, फिर तुम करते हो क्यों संजय। मैं था भारत, मैं हूं भारत, भारत भारत मेरा परिचय। मैं महामृत्युंजय का नर्तन, मैं वसुधा पर नंदन का आनंद, मैं रौद्र रूप रणचंडी का, मैं युगों युगों का परिवर्तन। मैं सिंह गर्जन नरसिंह, मैं ही वसुधा का आभूषण, मेरे वृक्ष स्थल पर खेले श्री रामचंद्र और मधुसूदन। उत्थान मार्ग पर चला ही है सदा रहा मेरा आशय। मैं था भारत, मैं हूं भारत, भारत भारत मेरा परिचय। धन्यवाद।